How to redeem gift card on Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can redeem your gift card on Lyft, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem our gift card on Lyft, all we have to do is first of all launch the Lyft application. Then after you launch it, tap on the three lines icon which is at the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three lines icon over here, you'll be able to see all this sorts of information where you have to go to the option called gift cards, which you see over here. All you have to do is, in order to redeem our gift card, over here you can see redeem your gift card button, right? Just make sure to enter your gift card code and your number and whatever else that you have. Once you make sure to enter your gift card number, tap on the redeem option from the bottom, and then you must add a payment method to redeem your gift card as well, because the balance is going to be added to your payment method or your Lyft account. And then once you've added a payment method, you'll be able to successfully redeem your Lyft card. That's all it takes to redeem your Lyft gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.